Hi there, I'm Avi, and I'm so excited that you decided to enroll in this course. A little bit about me before we get started. I'm currently 16 years old, a senior in high school, and I've taught more than 90,000 people how to code. You're one of them. I have 7 courses in Udemy, ranging from Django to WordPress to Python and Apple Watch development, and I run my own brand, The Codex. Definitely take a look at thecodex.me. It's a website where you can access all of my content. You can see my courses, you can see what I do. There's a whole bunch of stuff, and I definitely suggest to check it out. Other than that, it would be awesome if you could take a look at my YouTube channel. You can find it on my website or head over to youtube.com/c/programmingforlife. Here, I teach everything. I have updated playlists. I teach a whole variety of content. You can find videos ranging from Apple Watch development to web development to Swift, Python, Django, and more. Anyways, that's it from my side, guys. I'm so excited you decided to join this course, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. See you then.